Yeah, what's going on YouTube? Today I have for you my top 10 best EDC knives. Right now we have all budgets here. So starting at $10, the Ozark Trail, the Walmart version of the Bug Out. You have the K-Bar, Dozer, Dozier. This is $20. We have the QPC Penguin. We have the Raccoon Cub by Vostede. The original Vostede Raccoon with the access lock. We have the Boker Kalishnikov. Then we have the Kaiser Original. This is the Buck 112 Plus. And we have a genuine Benchmade mini bug out. And this is a Benchmade Griptilian. I believe that's the Mel Purdue version. This is $30. I believe this is about $35 to $40. You can get these on sale from anywhere from $40 to $50. About the same price for the Boker. On sale, I picked up this Kaiser Original for $40 on the Black Friday sale. These are, I think, MSRP around $80. The Buck is around $130, $135. Sometimes this goes on sale. You can get it a little bit cheaper. Bug Out, I got on sale for $140, and that is MSRP around $180. The Griptilians, these are, I think, around $200. I got this in a pawn shop for $40. So let's just go over a quick look at them. This is D2 steel. Absolute great knife for the money. Maybe not something you'd want to carry every day with you. It might be just something to throw in the glove box in your vehicle. It's a backup. It's a cheap knife. Throw away. If you're rough on your stuff, you take it to work. It's orange, so you won't lose it, hopefully. And if you do, it won't break the bank. As of December 2024, these are extremely hard to get right now. Everyone is buying them up. And also resellers are buying them and selling them on eBay for double the price. But they did a great version of the access lock. D2 steel, obviously made in China. It's on bearings, ball bearings. The action's very good, at least in mine. Great stocking stuffer for Christmas at $10. Next up is a knife I got my money's worth out of. The K-Bar. This is also D2. Made in Taiwan. Lock back. Very secure. A little chimping up here. Fits good in the hand. These are extra large gloves. About a 3-inch blade. I've used and abused this thing, and it has held up. Even ran it over with a semi-truck. You can see that, the damage it did. So, great knife. I'll keep all these open. QPC Penguin. Phenomenal EDC. Perfect box cutter. Open things up. Amazon packages. This is D2 as well. Micarta handles. liner lock, sturdy belt clip. At $30 price point, 35 maybe. A winner right here, the Vostede Raccoon Cub, or the Cub. Very slicey blade. This is 14C28N steel. Good budget steel. It's also got the front flipper. And it's small, but I have pretty good sized hands. You could actually still use it. Great if you want to carry a knife. Maybe you're in gym shorts or something where you don't want it to weigh you down a lot. Maybe sweatpants, or that's the size of it. About a 2-inch blade. My favorite knife, I own about 5 of these. I carry one of these with me pretty much everywhere I go. Access lock. Same blade steel, the 14C. Micarta handles. Get a great purchase with that. When these go on sale, you gotta get them. $40 on sale, $41, $42, something like that. Now the Boker Kalashnikov automatic. Feels very secure, solid, tank build almost. Not much play. D2. I believe these are made in Taiwan. This fits my hand very well. It's got that Stormtrooper colors, the white and black. I like that. Pretty decent pocket clip. Very strong. It's kind of that $50 price point. Well, this is an absolute slicer. The Kaiser Original also comes in the Kaiser Original XL, which is a little bit bigger, but this is perfect. This is very lightweight. Great blade. I love the stonewash finish. Absolute slicer. 154 cm. Micarta handle. Button lock. No stick. Perfect one-hand operation. Just comes out great. Very good button clip. I take this one to work with me a lot. You can see I use it every day. Great knife on sale. The Buck 112 here. This is extremely sturdy. Very well built. Micarta inlays here are in the handle. One of those short pocket clips. This is their S30V, and it's got the Buck has one of the best heat treats in the knife market, and it is just a great knife. I mean, very, very, very solid. A little heavy, but good purchase. Nice grip. Very sharp. This came out of the box. All right, so now we're going to the expensive stuff. What a lot of people really wouldn't see. This is kind of probably one of the most overpriced knives for what you get. This is this is the mini bug out S30V. Very extremely sharp out of the box. Just small, just big enough that you could actually use it. Sub 3-inch blade. Very, very slicey. Very lightweight. I think under 2 ounces. Mine has a little bit of a Mine catches a little bit, but I think it's just breaking in. This is brand new. I picked this up on sale for $140, so I was happy with it. It's a really good knife. I mean, lightweight, pretty solid blade steel, S30V. I like the look of it. Plus the high vis, easy to find. If I drop it at work, I could find it. And this is the best knife I ever got for. This was a pawn shop find in Georgia. Bench made. What's this? 154 CM. Millipardue design. It's got that. Yeah, the other negative is you either love or hate the plastic handles. This was kind of before G10. A lot of companies were using G10 when this came out, weren't using G10, and weren't using micarta. So this is that plastic, whatever material it is, but solid lockup. Tonto blade, half serrated, $40. And we can get a bench made in the USA for $40 at a pawn shop. This was completely brand new when I found it too. I could never cut anything. Was never used. I used it for a little bit. I'll carry it sometimes if I'm going out. Full size knife. Great purchase. Locks secure. Jimping in the back. If you had to use this, in a self-defense situation, I think you'd be in a pretty good spot. So that's the sizes. We'll do a quick go over the prices again. You got the Walmart, that's $10. K-Bar's around $20. QPC Penguin, you're around 30-ish, 35. Same with the Cub, 35, 40, $40 to $60 on the Raccoon, depending on the models. They have a carbon fiber one that's around 75. The Bokers are around 50 to 60. Kaiser Original, anywhere from 40 to 80, depending on the sale. If you can get this for $40, hard to beat that knife for $40. The Buck 112 plus here, that's 135. And these Benchmade mini bug outs are like anywhere from 140 to 200 and something. And these are around $200. Or a full-size bug out would be the closest thing to the Griptilian. So hopefully that's helpful. Gave you guys the steel, the prices, and these are, honestly, I covered all aspects from cheap Walmart to the more high-end EDC, and a ton of great options in this mid-range right here. If you want USA, a super built tank, this buck is absolutely it. If you want something lightweight or lighter, Vosteed Raccoon, there's not a knife better, I don't think, on the market in that $40, $50, $60 range. Steel, lock, handle. Overall, I have, I think 5 of them, 4 or 5 or 6 of them, I don't know, but these are phenomenal. I've got one in every vehicle. So you got all different price points, different sizes. Let me show you one thing real quick. Between the mini bug out and the Cub here, I'll let you see. These are pretty much both completely still usable, though. The way they have this cutout right here on the blade, that lets you get a pretty solid purchase here. And you could do pretty much anything you need to with this blade shape. The lockup with this liner lock is super solid. In the mini, you do have a little bit more. Very close in weight. Hopefully that's helpful, and hopefully this lets somebody find a Nice EDC, and as you could tell, I buy all these myself. I use them. Nobody's sending me anything. This is 100% honest, and you can see this K-bar has been through an absolute war, and it's still going. D2 is still sharp. If you guys want a cheap but very effective knife sharpener for about $10, this Milwaukee, this will bring back a blade very quickly. 5 or 6 passes course side, run it through the fine, same, and you'll have a nice edge back. Magnetic too. Take care. Hit that like, subscribe, share the video.